Activity 8.4 on page 187, checking accessibility. My fact sheet proofing is open. The document will be published on the web, so you need to check to see if you've properly prepared it for access through assistive technologies such as a screen reader. Number 1, check the document's accessibility. We're going to select File, check for issues, and check accessibility. The accessibility checker pane is displayed and the inspection results are divided into errors and warnings. So here we have our errors, scroll down, and we have our warnings. So these errors: missing alternative text, picture 1, 2, and 3, image or object not in line, pictures 2 and 1, are warnings. Check reading order for the table, hard to read text contrast, factor description region, a lot of headings there. All right. So in the errors list under missing alternative text, we're going to select picture number 1. And in the accessibility checker pane, examine the Why-Fix explanation. So down at the bottom, alternative text for images and other objects is very important for people who can't see the screen. Screen readers read alternate text aloud, so it's the only information many have about the image. Good alternate text helps them understand the image. So in the accessibility checker pane, we're going to scroll down to examine how to fix. So our steps to fix says to add alternative text to a picture or object, select the item for the error. This opens sizing handles on the item that has the error. Right-click the outlined item, select format for that item type. Then select layout and properties icon, and then expand alt text. Enter a title and description for the item. So we're going to correct the missing alternative text error. With the logo image still selected, we're going to right click on it and we can edit alt text. So now we have 2 panes open. This adds our alt text pane and you can describe the image here. We're going to select generate a description for me. So I generated alt text, a black text on a white background. AI generated content may be incorrect. I think the text generated in the textbook was a lot better than mine. It says a close-up of a logo, description generated with very high confidence. Okay, it's okay what it says. This is just to get an idea of how to do it. But we can observe that picture number 1 no longer appears as an error in our accessibility checker. Additionally, if you mark an image as decorative, its description will not be exposed to screen readers and the error will be fixed. So here you can mark as decorative with that checkbox. Correct the accessibility problems with the other missing alternative text. So I'm going to pick picture number 2. Let's go ahead and generate a description. A group of people wearing blue t-shirts. Perfect. All right, it's updating my results for me. Sometimes it takes a little bit longer than necessary. All right, missing alternative text. Now I'm left with picture 3. And that's our construction worker. Let's go ahead and generate a description. A person carrying a plywood. Perfect. Again, it's updating the results in my accessibility checker. So I no longer have any images missing alternative text. No errors for that. I can go ahead and close out of my alt text pane, and I can also close my accessibility checker. I'm going to save my updates on my quick access toolbar. And we'll leave this open for our next and I believe last activity of Word Part 1.